Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Happy birthday today to Elise Napokny. And now for our joke of the day. What did one snowman say to the other snowman? You're cool. Remember that we're going to be celebrating 12 days of holiday spirit. Help us spread some holiday cheer by taking part in one or all of the Orchard Hollow theme days before break. Today is Tuesday and it's Tree Topper Day. Dig out your favorite holiday hat, headband, or tree topper to wear. Tomorrow for Remote Wednesday will be Baby It's Cold Outside. Wear your winter gear. Think earmuffs, scarves, jackets, vests, or hats. Today is Tuesday and it is once again our fully remote schedule. We will start promptly at 8:45 and our instructional day will end at 2 p.m. Make it a great day, Huskies. I hope you'll enjoy finding our little elf on the shelf this week in our morning announcements.